Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this gold paracord 550 and this crystal gold and black combined. The full tutorial how to make this 4-strand bracelet core you have in the top right corner in information cards, also down below in the description box and the comments of this video. And if you learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, also the full tutorial you have in the top right corner and information cards down below. Before we start, the credit for today's project goes to our friend Jason Lake, so I will post in the description box down below the link to Jason's Instagram profile. So let's start. Here I'm gonna take the gold paracord and the fit and we're gonna insert it into our bracelet core, so I need to detach it. Now from here we're gonna take the ends of a gold strand and we're gonna pull them together so we'll have the equal length from the both sides, the left and the right one. So when we set our bracelet core and the working ends, we can start. First we're gonna take our black and the gold and we're gonna pass it under the core strands and pull it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from the left side. So from the back through, and then we're gonna place it on top of the strands. Then we're gonna take our gold strand and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand from the right side, then under, and we're gonna return it from the back through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna cinch this and proceed. From here we're gonna take our gold strand, we're gonna pass it under this gold and the black and also under the core strands, and we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from this right side, so through, and we're gonna place it on top of the core strands. Then with the mix of gold and the black we're gonna take it and pull it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side, and then we're gonna return it from the back through the loop on the left. Now we're gonna proceed. So take the gold and the black, pass it under the core strands and return it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side. Place the gold and the black core strand on top of the core strands, and then take the gold one, place it on top and from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on this right side. Then return it and from the back through the gap, through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna take our gold strand and we're gonna pass it under the core strands and we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand on the right side and on top of the core strands. Now we're gonna take our gold and the black and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side, and now we're gonna return it from the back through the loop on the left and we're gonna cinch it. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!